In this video I am going to show you how to create employee when creating user into the Odoo. So let's create a new user into the system. So I have created a new user named Rahul into the system. Now let's go to the employee section and now we will search for the Rahul. So Rahul is automatically created because we have created a user named Rahul. Now let's check the HR setting tab. So here you can see into the related user, Rahul user is automatically linked. So when you want to create employee automatically from the user, then you can download over this application, employee from user. Thank you.